Ever wondered how your mind influences your daily life? Let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is your mind. This intricate network, the birthplace of thoughts, emotions, and perceptions, shapes our reality every single day. Through the lens of psychology, we can better understand this phenomenon. Today, we're going to explore 10 surprising psychology facts that can help us navigate life with a bit more ease. Ready to delve into the world of your mind? Let's begin with our first fact. Fact 1. Your mind can alter your perception of reality. It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? Our minds are powerful tools that can shape the world we experience. The way we perceive our surroundings isn't just about what our senses tell us. It's a complex process influenced by a variety of factors like our expectations, where we focus our attention and our past experiences. Consider the placebo effect, a fascinating psychological phenomenon. When people believe they're receiving treatment, they often experience a perceived improvement in their condition, even if the treatment has no therapeutic value. It's a clear demonstration of how our minds can influence our perception of reality. Now, this isn't to say that our senses deceive us. Rather, it's an affirmation of the mind's incredible ability to shape our reality based on its interpretations. So remember, your reality might not be as objective as you think. Fact 2. Colors can have a profound impact on your emotions and behaviors. It's fascinating to know that different colors can elicit distinct psychological responses. Take for example the color red. It can trigger feelings of excitement and urgency. On the other hand, the color blue is known to induce a sense of calmness and tranquility. Even the color green can stimulate feelings of growth and renewal. Therefore, the colors you surround yourself with can significantly affect your mood. Fact 3. Humans are innately social creatures. We thrive on interaction, connection, and community. Our minds are wired to engage with others, to share experiences, thoughts, and emotions. This is not just a trait, it's a necessity. Recent research indicates that social interaction is crucial for our mental health. It's been observed that isolation or loneliness can have severe impacts on our well-being. In fact, studies have shown that prolonged loneliness can be as damaging to our health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. This is because our brains release feel-good chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin when we interact with others, reinforcing social bonds and enhancing our mood. Without these interactions, we can feel lonely, depressed, and anxious. So it's not just about being outgoing or extroverted. It's about understanding that as humans, we're designed to connect with others. We're built to be part of a tribe. So make sure to maintain your social connections. They're more important than you might think. Fact 4. The opinions of others can drastically influence our own. It's a fascinating reality of our social nature. We are, at our core, social beings, and this attribute can often lead us to conform to the views and beliefs of the majority, even if they differ from our own. This phenomenon, known as social conformity, is not a new concept in the world of psychology. One of the most famous studies in this area is the Asch conformity experiments. These experiments found that when confronted with a group consensus, individuals often chose to discard their own correct answers in favor of the group's incorrect consensus. This demonstrates the powerful influence of the majority and the lengths we may go to avoid feeling out of place or alienated. So next time you find yourself agreeing with the crowd, ask yourself, is it because you truly agree or because you want to fit in? Fact 5. The names we give things can influence our perceptions of them. Ever heard of the labeling effect? It's a fascinating psychological phenomenon where the names or labels we assign to objects, people, or concepts can actually alter how we perceive them. It's why certain words can evoke strong emotions, or why a simple name change can transform our attitude towards something. It's not just a name, it's a powerful cognitive trigger. So, words and names hold more power than you might think. The power of the mind is truly fascinating, isn't it? We've discovered how our perceptions shape our reality, the impact of colors on our emotions, and the social nature of our species. We've also seen how others influence us, and how even our names have power. These mind-boggling facts play significant roles in our lives, often without us even realizing it. Remember, understanding your mind is the first step towards improving your life. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of psychology.